In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prepare variation order and VO claims in BuildSpace. First, click on the BuildSpace logo and click Post Contract module. Double-click your project to start preparing for the VO. In order to allow you to prepare the VO, first you need to activate the claim certificate. Click Claim Certificate and click Activate Claim Certificate. Fill in the information, especially those with asterisks, then click Save. Click on the project breakdown and double-click the variation order. Here you can start to fill in the description of your VO. You are allowed to upload any supporting documents as attachment. Then you can see the status of your VO is pending. To start preparing your VO, double-click on the VO item and you will have to key in the description and the units as well. You can also upload any attachment to it. Now you can fill in your estimated budget for this particular VO by keying the rates and the quantity. Once you have the confirmation rates and quantity, you can fill in these columns in red. Scroll slightly to the right and you can see the system will automatically calculate the net addition and omission for you. To omit any item from your BQ, single-click on the blank row and click Omit from Bills. Here you need to choose which item to be omitted and click Import. System will auto-update the imported BQ item for omission. Once you are done preparing, click Variation Order up here and simply change the status to Approve. To do claim for VO, double-click on the VO item and click Claim Revision. Then click Add New Claim. Next, click Variation Order item and scroll to the right. Here, you can update the claim either by percentage, by quantity, or amount. Once you have confirmed, click Claim Revision and change its status to Locked. Click on the variation order and you can see the system has automatically updated the up-to-date claim. To print out the claim certificate, click Claim Certificate and click Claim Certificate Print Information. Then click on the printer logo. The claim cert will be auto-downloaded in PDF file format. Once the claim has been approved, simply click Approve.